3 days. 3 days. Local government.
President Duterte is ordering government offices to speed up the processing of permits and licenses. This should further ease doing business and attract investments that create jobs. Bonifacia Chua is among those setting up a small business in Quezon City, and first on her agenda, getting a permit at City Hall. Chua says the processing of her business permit is fast compared to the previous waiting time.
Matagal noon, siguro ang lisensya bago makuha, mga 3 weeks pa.
The Quezon City government is promising to process permits in less than an hour.
On the premise that you have complete requirements and documentation, in 30-45 minutes it will be finished depending on the line sa payment.
The number of requirements has also been reduced from 11 to 4. The number of steps in getting a permit from 8 down to 3. There are only 2 signatories and all of these in just 1 form. That's why the National Competitiveness Council considers Quezon City as the country's most competitive city.
Mas kokonti na ngayon ang taong galit sa pila.
City Administrator Aldrin Cunha tells CNN Philippines a number of challenges still lie ahead. He says some provisions of the local government code should be changed to make it easy to do business. The law requires local governments to renew all business permits within the first 20 days of the year. Cunha says this is difficult as they have 68,000 registered businesses.
Which makes it physically impossible for a big city like Quezon City.
Cunha is calling on Congress to amend the local government code to streamline business licensing. The city government is also looking at automating the submission of requirements to fast-track the processing of permits. Rex Remitio, CNN Philippines.